Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with a different kind of live and setup. So we are all rolling out on the floor, around 300 participants up here, amazing coders, and we're going with that. Now of course, don't you worry, we have the mic up here, so we'll be rolling out the audio quality in the same level that we have been rolling out forever. So join up in this live stream, we'll be calling up different participants, different judges up here, and we'll be having a stream up here. So who should we call first? Naveen sir, please join us into this live. If you have any questions or stuff, we will be addressing that as well. Let me bring up people. Please, sir. All
We are
doing
live
it.
on YouTube.
Yep, live with this.
Cool. So this is happening from last 12 hours now, right? It's been 12
Yeah,
hours.
it's been 12 hours now. So how does it?
Okay. Let me talk about myself.
Yeah.
So when I was in my college, I used to participate in competition, not like hackathons, but then normal competitions. And it always gave me this different vibe, because when you do a project alone, it's a different environment. When you do a project in with this vibe, you get extra energy, extra thoughts, extra ideas, and when you build it, that gives you different confidence.
Absolutely, I even loved it that how this is all rolling out and how they are able to build so much. None of them, when they came out, has a confidence that we'll be able to do it, and now they are even writing better code than some of our developers.
Sure.
That is awesome. So more, Saurabh sir,
Hello sir.
welcome sir, welcome to our channel and welcome to this stream that we are doing up. So how's the environment sir? Enjoying this one?
मैं हिंदी में जाऊंगा.
बिल्कुल सर, आप हिंदी में जाइए.
तो सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि अमेजिंग इवेंट हो रहा है और जितने लोगों से बात करी, जो स्टूडेंट से बात करी, उनका फीडबैक ये आया है कि हमें ये पता नहीं चल पाया, वरना हम यहाँ पे ज़रूर आते, क्योंकि जब उन्हें ये पता चला ना कि यहाँ से जॉब हायरिंग भी हो रही है, यहाँ पर लाइक माइंडेड लोग मिल रहे हैं, इतना कनेक्शन बन रहा है. कई लोग तो यहाँ पर ऐसे हैं जिनका खुद का स्टार्टअप है ऑलरेडी, जिन लोगों को फंडिंग भी पहले से मिली हुई है.
Yes sir, 1.5 crores.
यस और वो लोग यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसे लोगों से कनेक्शन करने का मौका रोज़ रोज़ तो नहीं मिलता, और घर बैठ के तो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने वाला है. ये ऑफलाइन इवेंट है, अगर ऑनलाइन भी जा सकते थे, ऑनलाइन इवेंट भी कर सकते थे, बट ये जो कनेक्शन यहाँ आके मिल रहा है वो अमेजिंग है.
Yes, absolutely. We are enjoying this so much. Let me also bring in our CEO, the man, the brain behind everything. Sir, please join us. Meet Sudhanshu, sir, the amazing data engineer, data scientist, and AI scientist, and the man behind iNeuron, the brain behind it. Sir, how's the event going on?
So first of all, thank you so much, sir. And event तो देख ही रहे हैं हम लोग सारे लोग. So it's going like amazing. People are enjoying this event a lot. अभी तक लोग बैठे हुए हैं, रात के 10:30 हो चुके हैं, फिर भी सुबह 10 बजे से बैठे हुए हैं और कल तक बैठने वाले हैं, और डेडिकेशन जो है आपको पूरे फ्लोर पर दिख रहा होगा.
Sir, can we call some of the people here to share their experience, like what they are
Exactly, yeah.
building or something?
Yeah, please.
Can some of
So
you
I would
come
like
up
to
here?
invite these guys who have dubbed your voice in
Oh, my
French
voice.
and Spanish. Yes,
I
and they
would
have
love
just
to.
given me a demo. And
Can
these
some,
guys
some
have-
of you come up
Yeah,
here
please,
and
please
share
come
the
up, yeah.
experience as well? Don't be shy, just come up
Please
here.
Come up. Yeah. Yeah, please. Entire team.
So as you can see, the arena and all of the things, how this is going on. Welcome to my channel.
Hello.
So,
Hello.
So what you have built and how you have built, so
So we have built
yeah.
a
Can you speak in here a little
yeah.
bit? I'm worried about audio quality all the time.
so we have built a translation system, a model. So basically, the model takes in audio input, turns it to text, and then the text it translates to different languages. So as of now, we have translated it into French and Spanish. So
But
yeah,
yeah, so they can add a flavor of your voice.
yeah,
so
it
will-
has the same tone and emotion as the.
So that voice modulation that comes up, that is also there.
Yeah.
Yes. And it's super perfect.
Just to brag a tiny bit, whose voice you have used?
Yeah, so
So I told you, this is how it goes on. And again, you have built it. How much long did it take to build this?
It took like around 5 hours to train it.
Yeah.
6 hours to train it, and we had to use like around 360 audio files of yours from the YouTube videos.
Awesome. So within 6 hours, you have built this entire thing. Were you confident before coming up here that you will be able to do it this fast?
So basically, we have used the open source library, which actually helped. So we had to research on it and find it a bit. So
Yeah, but still, amazing effort within 6 hours. That is all what we have up here.
And they were not aware about the problem that we are going to give.
Yeah, that is the fun, that you are not even aware about what problem it's going to come in, how we'll be solving it, and how much networking we are going to have around here. I hope you have enjoyed the area and arena.
Yeah, very much, sir. Very
So
much.
the main thing was the code was available. Like it's a NVIDIA's open source model. But the thing is, we spent more time on creating the data set. Like as I told you, we created 370 plus audio files of your video. As I told, the .com video and the WordPress video of yours. We downloaded that.
Grabbed all the data from the channel.
We downloaded.
We had to map it with the text and then paint it
I
with the
think you
text.
should work on a website then.
No, this is from YouTube now.
Okay, so
The-
they have
this-
scrapped from the YouTube.
This is on YouTube, and even if you scrape it from our website and text, and you're producing that much, I don't mind it. Again, so when can I expect that my videos can be translated in Spanish?
Hopefully by tomorrow.
Hopefully by tomorrow. That is the fastest I've ever seen. So let's bring in more candidates to share their experience. Let me push in more. So in the meantime, yeah, so let's invite Chris sir. Where are you missing?
Please come.
You are missing from my channel.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Hello sir.
Hello, Hitesh. How are you?
All good sir. So enjoying this hackathon so
yeah,
much.
obviously, so much of energy from all the people who are attending over here, right?
The amount of project initially when they were coming, oh sir, is it a tough
Is it a
problem? We'll be able to do it. We'll be able to not do it. And now they're writing code better than some of our developers.
Actually, they're building a product from design to planning to which module is picking, like going to get picked by which team. Everything is like they're doing with a proper plan, drawing in a piece of paper. You know, I've told them to convert that into also PDF and try to upload in the GitHub.
Yeah. So GitHub is very kind enough to give us this chance to organize this big level of the event. We're very thankful for the GitHub, and we are even looking for more companies. Apart from this, one kid from 12th standard,
Yes,
he
12th
got
standard.
full end-to-end all not just scholarship, we would call it entire funding, everything.
for the-
Whatever he needs, a laptop, he needs funding for education, any course enrollment that have, whatever he needs, we are sponsoring him entirely end to end.
Yes.
Even offered him that you can walk into the office any day.
Any day, any time.
Because that kid was talented. It's not because he was just a kid. It was because he was writing code in TypeScript along with MySQL,
But he was
Postgres, and
writing
MongoDB.
amazing code.
Yeah, the
Like, good
quality
practices.
of the code was nice. Their different files, file structure, the code, segmentation of the code. Already he was very
It was
polished.
Super polished.
Yeah, and apart from that, how many offer letters we have rolled out so far?
I think 4 to 5, I guess.
4. Last I was updated was 3. So I
Three.
think
I
after
think
that
from
2 more.
Java and MyService and
Yeah,
Services are also
so two more
selected.
two more offers have
Two
been
more,
rolled.
2 more, I guess.
And still, night is young.
Yes. Till tomorrow, I think we have identified some people, I guess, right?
Yeah, we are. I'm
more
constantly watching them and walking through all of that. So that will be going in. So okay, can we bring in more participants up here? And in the meantime, you can enjoy what's happening up here, and we'll be doing that. So let's bring in more participants and keep it rolling.
Sure.
Let the stream roll in, and maybe I can answer some of the questions as well. Come join up here. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Lalit.
Hi, Lalit. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore. It's
In which standard you are?
12.
12. Okay, so come close by a little bit. So, in what language do you write your code?
TypeScript
You don't
mostly.
prefer JavaScript?
No,
Not much interested in that. You need more
No.
type safety
Yes,
and compile time errors as well.
yes.
Okay, what kind of database you are using for this particular problem statement?
MySQL.
Can you speak a little bit louder? Come on.
I'm using MySQL for this one.
What other choices you had like in your mind?
Other choices were Postgres, MongoDB, or even
And you are comfortable with both the databases, other two.
yeah,
Okay, so apart from that, uh, how far you have come in solving that problem that we have given you as a problem statement?
about 70%.
So 70% you have done it. Ah, that's fantastic. And how long you have been writing code?
From morning 11 o'clock.
Ah, that's awesome. And how long you have been learning this entire code stuff? Like how many
Like
years?
just as soon as the lockdown started, I started learning. to code.
Awesome. Watch some of my videos, maybe.
Yeah, a lot,
A lot.
especially the Saturday life.
Awesome, awesome. Saturday Lives, you love that concept?
Yes.
Yeah, we are bringing more of these Saturday Lives, and now you are one of in that one of the Saturday Live. How does it feels?
Uh, Feels proud.
Ah, so good, so good. So again, just to remind you again, any day, any time, the office is all open for you. We'll sponsor all of your laptop and whatever you need. We will sponsor that. Even if you go into any IIT, NIT, or local college, you want to do college or not, whatever, we'll take care of you entirely. Doors are always open for you. Whenever you want to walk in, you can always come to office.
Thanks.
Okay,
a lot.
great, great. Thank you so much. So we'll be keep on bringing such students and such sharing experience. So stay tuned in the live. Otherwise, enjoy the environment going up here. Hackathon is pretty awesome here.
So unmuted. Okay, guys. So hi, Krishnaik, live from Hitesh Chaudhary's channel. Okay, so we have another guy with us, and again, we're just going to know about his experience about this hackathon. So, sir, how's your overall experience?
So overall, it's going great. It's like my first hackathon after COVID. So yeah, it's great. All that energy and the intimidating feeling of everybody working all day. It's good. It's good, and it's pretty good. I would say.
Are you feeling sleepy?
No, thanks to Red Bull.
Thanks to Red Bull. Okay. So Red Bull, if you're watching this video, please sponsor us so that we can conduct this kind of events. Okay. And see, out of the entire team, you alone, like you are a single member in your team. So tell me about this experience. Why only single? And probably did you think that you will be able to cover all these things by your own?
Well, definitely it's a difficult task, but I wanted to challenge myself. I'm like, let me, step out of my comfort zone and let me challenge myself. Try something. Try something different.
Okay.
Like
So what is the problem statement you're working in?
Okay, so I'm working on a food dine-in app. So it's basically an web app or whatever, and full stack application where you'll have a QR code on your table. If you are going to a cafe or a restaurant, you have it on your table. So you can order your food using that thing. So you can avoid the waiter thing in cafes and restaurants. So you basically order the food. I mean, you scan, you get a page, you order food quantity and all, and it goes to the kitchen. They see it.
So what are the challenges that you faced in this?
Challenges. I am a back-end developer, so completely do back-end. So doing front-end by myself, it's a challenge. So
How much part of front end is left still?
front-end, I would say 80% is left.
Okay.
Back-end, it's almost done, 60, 70, I would say. So yeah,
So I hope you complete it throughout the night, right?
I'm gonna try my best. Can't guarantee I'm gonna try my best. Well, it's not easy, like I said. Managing both of them, by myself. And given that I don't know front-end, so yeah.
Did you like our hospitality?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Amazing. So yes, guys, this was it from our side. Thank you for giving your feedback and all. I hope you enjoy you participate in an amazing way for the remaining of the competition. Thank you. Yes, this was it. We'll again put up some more guys so that we can have a talk. Yes, please come. Yes, sir. What is your name?
Saditya Yogi.
Okay, and which project you are working on right
I'm working full stack food dining.
Food dining.
Yeah.
Okay. So till now, overall, how much completion of the entire project?
Yeah, we have completed some UI part of the restaurant app and some part of API and some part of user app also. Like a little bit everywhere, and we need to integrate some part. And then we have learned a lot. Like mainly we think that we want to improve the skill in like delegating tasks to each other. Even though three people are individually good at development, but when it came to collectively the skills, we facing lots of issue like delegating each task and how to integrating that task like that. So we need.
So are you enjoying the hackathon overall?
Yeah, really. Like mainly food, snacks, coffee, tea.
That is actually a part of hackathon. Whenever we are working in offices, we get all those things. And so overall, how much time do you think your application will get completed in?
I don't know, but we will try to complete because we give our best to complete. We will try. Yeah, but this is the first time. And then waiting more hackathon from your team. And like your guys are inspiring and like very happy to see many people like Saksam Sautri, Hitesh sir, Sarji, like you and I very happy to see in the same place. So very inspiring. Yeah.
Thank you for your feedback. I hope you win the competition and do well. Thank you. Yes. So guys, we are still having many people in line, so we'll be talking with them. I hope you'll enjoy. Yes, sir. What is your name?
My name is Naveen Kumar. Yeah, I'm yeah. So today I'm working on this full stack web app like food dining app. I'm a backend developer. It's very challenging. It's very challenging to.
Come on, see louder. See, I'm speaking right. Don't be shy. Come on. Yeah.
As a backend developer, it's very challenging to develop the front end UI. So 70% of the 80% of the backend application is done, but there is 80% in remaining in front end app.
Okay.
Yeah, where is when connecting between front end app and backend app is very difficult. But
how many people are there in your team?
Solo, only
Solo?
one. Yeah.
Okay, single-handedly you're solving it, right?
Yeah.
So you're facing a lot of problems because of that.
Yeah.
It's okay. अकेले ही यार तुम महारथी बनोगे. We say that, right? So okay, best of luck.
Apart from that, there are great connections like Sujit and my brother. My brother is working as a data scientist here, so
Okay.
I like to. I learn how the data scientists are going to work and how they talk to each other, how they develop the
So
things.
overall, an amazing experience from this hackathon.
Yes.
Perfect. Best of luck. I hope you do well. Right? Yes, sir. Please. Yes, sir. So first of all, how is the hackathon going on?
Now it's going very good, and like I am feeling really amazing doing all the analysis. I mean, usually we do like in home, like we will do the same analysis in 15 days. Now, now we now the same analysis we will do in 15 days. Now here we are doing like 24 hours or 12 hours, whatever I have done in 12 hours. Means this work is if I am doing at home, it will be like 20 days or 30 days. So it's very amazing. I am feeling actually.
So what does a developer require? It's just food, energy, and you should start coding, right?
Yeah.
So just tell me how much percentage of your project is completed.
Yeah, it's around 60% now. It's completed. But means because my project is on data science, so you know that the main work in the data science is data cleaning, which is like very messy here, which you have given us. So that's why it's very challenging task, and we have completed almost the data cleaning there. Like 90% of the data cleaning is done. Now we will go and use the random forest and other algorithm and check the accuracy, and then we will deploy on the hierarchy.
Amazing. So I think you have a lot of time. So I should probably say that try to complete it on time so that we can actually check. Thank you for your experience. Thank you, sir. You all are in one team or single team? Single team all? Same team come once, okay? Then single will do. Okay. Over there? Same team. Okay. So which team and what project you are actually doing? Come over here. Yeah.
We are from Team Spice, and we are working on the project of restaurant wherever you're just scanning the QR code and we'll get directly everything.
Okay. So how much percentage of the work is completed?
60% of our backend is completed and 20% of the front end is completed.
Who is doing the back end and who is doing the front?
He's doing front end. I'm working on. It's like I'm actually an ML developer. I've never worked on React before.
Then create a recommendation system over there, no?
Yeah. So I'm first time working on React here only. I'm learning right now, and I'm learning.
So you're learning and doing the coding also.
Same simultaneously.
What about you, sir?
It's been a great experience. Actually, this is our first offline hackathon.
For us, yeah.
And
From which college are you?
Dayanand Sagar College.
Dayanand Sagar, okay.
Yeah.
Here only in Bangalore, near this.
Kumaraswamy Lake.
Kumaraswamy Lake, yeah.
Yes,
So my brother also studied in Dayanand Sagar. So computer science branch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Information science.
Okay, amazing. So overall, the experience is fine.
Overall experience is very good.
Very nice.
Anything you want to ask Satish, sir?
What an
Because
opportunity.
They're also from Bangalore only, nearby college.
Oh, nice.
So
We have already
they're
met. We have been chilling out for a long.
Okay, amazing. Thank you for sharing your experience. Thank you. Best of luck. Yes. Now, you want to ask him some special question?
कैसे चल रहे थे?
बहुत बढ़िया थे बताओ
बहुत बढ़िया अरे हमारे भी बढ़िया चल रहे
सामने आ जाएगा बस सामने आके बोलिए तब
थे. So how is it going on for you?
very fine
Yeah, this guy is from my native place, so we were chilling out. Yeah, that's why we spoke in Marwadi itself. So what are you building up?
I am building a resume builder, a web application.
You have checked our resume builder?
Yeah, I made my resume with your resume builder only.
Nice one. Are you hopefully you are not actually
not
copying that one. We haven't open sourced it yet, but we want to very soon. No, it's not open. It's not open source.
I think you will use fine if I will make it good.
Of course, we will actually pull your branch in if that happens. We would love to pull your branch.
Yes,
in.
yes.
Okay, so more people, come on quickly. Are come both of you and everybody. Yeah, same team.
Yeah.
So, what are you building on?
We are building web.
You need to speak louder. You need to speak louder.
Neuron.
More louder.
Neuron query support.
Okay.
Yeah.
So query support.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. How far you have built it?
So we have completed the backend activities. So we need to integrate today.
Okay. See that project we want to make it big and open source. We would love to even sponsor you.
That is why we chose that project.
Yeah, if somebody makes it good and something, we would sponsor that authors and developers forever, and you keep on building that project and maintain that project as open source.
Sure.
Hope you'll win the prize as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he's a YouTuber also.
Oh, nice. Come. So what's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel name is Code Kados.
Oh, nice. Is it a local language channel?
Yeah, it's like I create a coding videos, but it's in Hindi because my target audience is 11th, 12th, and first, second year student.
Oh, nice, nice. So subscribe his channel as well.
Channel name is Code Kados.
Sure, sure. So nice. Anybody is allowed to promote their startups or their channels. All is allowed. Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course, for free. We are not even charging for hackathons, not even registration fees, nothing. It's all free. Food and everything on us. For the community. We are driven entirely by community itself. Come join in.
Hi.
Yeah, you need to speak louder first.
Yeah. Okay. Hi. Hi everyone.
More louder.
Hi. Hi everyone.
Why are you so shy? Yeah, so what are you building up?
Resume building a web application.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm also a YouTuber.
Oh, nice. So many YouTubers are rolling it.
Yeah. I'm basically concentrating on more on cyber security and some coding stuffs also. I am covering my target audience is college CSE students, and I speak in my native language in my YouTube, Tamil.
Nice one. So we have a great Tamil guy here.
Yeah.
Nice one, nice one. So you are focusing more on the regional language so people can connect more, understand more. I didn't do that. I'm all English in the channel itself. Nice catching up with you.
Yeah, my channel name is Future Trending. Future Trending.
Future Trending.
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. Alright, you haven't asked for subscribe or anything.
Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Future Trending.
Too much promotion is going on the channel. No worries on that. Okay, more people can join in. Sure. So, okay, go back and start writing code, more code. Come on, guys. You are YouTubers as well?
No, we are
Okay.
we are programmers.
Nice.
Developers.
Yeah, come up here. So
Hey, hi.
you custom printed out this one?
Actually, my friend gifted it to me.
Friend gifted. I need to give you one I write code as well, so that that would be better. Not this much of the code. We have kind of refracted it. Simply I write code.
It will be pleasure for me.
Yeah, so we'll get.
From your state only. I'm
Ah,
from Rajasthan. only.
You're from Rajasthan.
Yes.
Which state?
I'm from Pali.
Pali. Jadi जोरदार से हो तो. And you are from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. What problem statement you have chosen?
Our problem statement is restaurant dining application, web application.
Nice one. Have you built any kind of such thing in the past?
Very similar, and we are using all the technologies that using your YouTube, whatever you have taught, we are basically using the same kind of stuff.
Thank you. Thanks. Nice. So you have been following the latest authentication video? We did made with the login front egg. Yeah.
We are trying to implement that.
Awesome going in. Okay, more people are coming in. You can come in. Now let's have a lineup all up here. Come in, all in. So we have so many people. Come on. You join in. I loved your shirt first.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Another guy who wears shirts like me.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So that is one thing. Come in. Why are you shut? Come in. Come in. Nice. See, look at this. This is how I like it. Printed shirts and stuff. Moved away from the grey now. So
all black.
You come in here. You remind me of my old t-shirts. Yeah. So same kind of t-shirts, grey. Are you wearing only grey or you are wearing others as well?
No, I today I'm wearing only grey, but I have.
I don't think anybody will be able to hear you.
No,
are you able to hear him? No. Not even.
Very low.
Yeah.
Yes. No. Actually, I have. I today I'm only wear grey, but I have many colors also. So
Okay,
yeah.
nice. And all those guys who are complaining about that low audio or nothing, this is how programmers are. If you are expecting more, I think your expectation is wrong. We are built like that. We are coders. Some speak, that's why they have YouTube channel. But rest of the things, just give us a headphone, a laptop, and a room. Internet, of course. That's it. Or a basement, just that's it. Don't ask us. We are just chilling out like that. Am I right? Awesome. So you guys can also join in. The channel is open. You can steal anything, share anything, your ideas, anything. It's all open for you now.
क्या करना क्या?
We are working on the restaurant app, restaurant management, order management. So that's the project we are working on. We come from Rame Institute of Technology.
Where is it?
In Bangalore, yes. We just graduated last year.
Currently,
And
we are working.
yeah.
So you're working in which technology?
I'm working in Amazon. I work on Java.
Okay. So the project which you are building now, is it on Java or JavaScript?
No, we're using Python for the backend because you want to build it quick, right?
Okay. So the reason you're using Python is because you want to build it quickly.
Yeah, like I know, like in Java you can build it quickly, but with Flask we can write it very quickly. So yeah, we're using Flask for now for the backend, and front end will be React for this.
Oh, that's awesome. So you're coding from last 13 hours now. How is the feeling?
Yeah, it's great.
It's great,
It's a lot of fun, a lot of new people. The vibe is just great. And we have got Red Bulls now.
Oh, is it?
So it's
I can
gonna
see
be
that on your smile.
it's gonna be a crazy night. Yes.
Awesome. So you still have around 11 hours to go.
Yes.
I hope you will be doing your best.
What do you think about the Java as this thing? Python as an alternative to Java because we think it's fast. Do you think? You agree?
You're thinking which is faster, Python or Java?
We
For-
make it
for
from
development.
development time perspective, not the latency perspective.
Okay. See, the thing is, Java has multiple frameworks. One of the framework is Spring Framework. The moment you talk about core Java, yes, it is very verbose. The moment you move towards the frameworks, like we have Spring.
For example,
the
building a
Quarkus
Spring
there.
Boot is like very fast.
Very fast. In fact, you get the raw project from the spring.io and you start building on that. And all the libraries are there inbuilt.
Correct.
So you just start using them and it's way faster than what you can do in Flask.
Right.
So maybe next hackathon you will do it on Java.
We should try that. Yeah.
Awesome. In fact, next week we have a hackathon on Kotlin.
Oh.
So if you're excited, you can join.
Where is it? Online?
It's the same place,
Here
18th of June, yeah.
Oh, sure. We'll be
Looking
back.
forward to it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you.
Who's next?
Come on, guys.
So this is live on YouTube, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. So which project you're working on?
So I'm working on the first problem statement in deep learning, that is dubbing, like from one language to another language, translating in the same pitch. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, bit closer.
Yeah.
That's good. So you're working on machine learning, right?
Yeah, machine learning.
Okay, what's your name?
Purna Chandrakash.
Purna Chandra and?
And my name is Mohammad Sueb Reza.
Awesome. So you're from Bangalore or you're traveling
I'm from
somewhere?
Bangalore.
And you?
I'm from originally from Nepal and I'm studying here. I'm pursuing my degree over here.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So how is the experience from coding from last 13 hours now?
It's been really good, like finding resources online, trying to go through it and do it completely. It's very new topic to me. Like I've worked on computer vision projects, but here I have choose something which is very new, like natural language processing.
Okay, awesome. So I have a question for you. So let's say if we do the same hackathon online.
Yeah.
So how will you differentiate the experience of online and offline hackathons?
So I've attended many online hackathons and many offline hackathons too. And I really like offline hackathons than online, because in offline you can meet people here, you can network with them, and you can learn from others. We can go through each one of them, understand what they are building, on what things they are using to build it. It really it's really fun place. But in online, what happens is at particular time you start coding. Sometimes you feel bored. People won't be near you. You will be behind four walls, and even when you are pitching the idea to someone, it won't be that effective. But in offline, you can be very friendly and understand things with your teammate and do really well.
So just to add one point there, in offline hackathons you can see the vibe. You know, this noise, this is not a noise, this is a motivation, right?
Yeah.
So every time you see a team discussing something, you get motivated to do something else as well.
Yes.
That's awesome. So thank you so much for
Thank you.
thank you so much
so
for
much,
sharing
sir.
information. Thank you. Who's coming next? Cool. Let's start with your names and then with your project.
Yeah, so myself Pratik, and I am a software engineer at Geeky Ants.
Okay.
And I right now I just attend my first 24 offline hackathon. So this is my first. I have given a tech talk on many techs, but attending a hackathon and like being a part of a candidate and solving problems, giving so much experience to me. Like as compared to professional life, the doing some task in one day. That's a big deal. So that's experience is a lot for me.
That's right.
So my name is Harsh, and I'm working in Infosys, and this is my first time in this hackathon. So I've never been to hackathon before. So yeah, this feels very excited for me because I'm first time being here, and it will be very. It will be very. I'm very excited because I like to code in such a great environment. So yeah.
So what is your motivation to join an hackathon or be a part of it? Is it just because we are doing it offline, or is it you will be coding for 24 hours?
Yeah, so mainly the motivation is like doing that same task, like creating a one app in just a 24 hours. So this giving like a challenge, because as a software engineer we never feel that experience in our working profession. So that's why that give us a motivation.
You're laughing on his talk. You're next now.
And one more thing, he's my roommate and he's a big fan of you because
is
he
it?
learned a
Oh, thank you
Python.
so much.
He learned a Python just like you taught on YouTube. So he know Python very well. So I just
because-
want to give a great shout out to you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So we can talk about your project as well. What you're building now.
Yeah, so we are making a food ordering app. So in that I am a backend developer and he is doing a front end developer. So I think 50% of things are done, but it's like 10 hours from we are working. So I thought like just to roam and see the iNeuron office and how the culture is. So yeah.
Awesome. So I have a controversial question for you.
Yeah.
So when we define a word like full stack developer, how much you trust on this word, being a full stack developer?
So I think full stack developer has no limits. So it can be like it considered as a front end, a back end, DevOps. So I can't say the full stack developer is a complete full stack developer because it includes the entire world. So entire tech, as I can say. So yeah.
Right. So can we say that full stack developer is more of a back end developer who's working on front end and a front end developer who's working on a back end?
Yeah, so I can say he's a like all-rounder.
All-rounder.
Yeah, so whenever a requirement comes, he can play a front-end role, and whenever requirement comes for back-end or DevOps.
Right.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Who's coming next? The Python fan.
Actually, he's the one Python fan. So
Okay.
I got.
You're also a Python fan. Oh, you're talking about him?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about this guy.
I just went
Sorry, I
rest
misunderstood.
from you. So yeah, it was a pretty good experience. Like I started with your YouTube channel. So yeah, that was a good thing that like I understood it very well than the other channels.
Right.
So,
See, this is Hitesh sir's YouTube channel, right? But you have to make sure that you subscribe to Jusco as well.
yeah, please.
Great. So which project you're working on now?
Yeah, the same actually, the restaurant Dynap.
Oh, you're working together.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So what do you prefer, working alone or working in a team?
Ironically, it's both. So, like solo, yeah, it matters. It gives you an view of how the depth of like whatever you know. But as a team effort and team building, the qualities are well displayed in a team. So yeah, both.
Great. So which is faster, working solo or working in a team?
I would prefer solo.
Oh, okay. So you're out now. So they are working together. Build your own app now. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Amar.
Amar. Thank you so much, Amar.
Thank you.
Hi sir. First of all, big fan of yours. You have been very helpful.
See, that's what.
Yeah. So you have been very helpful to me during the college time and interviews.
Note the points.
So during the colleges and interviews, and also while I was working.
Oh, that's awesome. So you're working somewhere now?
Yes, like I'm currently in TCS, so currently serving notice period.
Oh, okay. This is important. He's serving a notice period.
Yeah.
In one of the biggest company in India.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So which technology you work on?
So like currently I was a developer. I have worked in Java and Python, but I'm looking for a profile change and I want to switch to cybersec. cybersecurity.
Again, a controversial question because I love controversies.
Yeah.
So you mentioned both, right? Java and Python.
Yeah, like
which
both
one?
in different projects.
So if I give you an option.
Yeah, so
choose
both in
one.
different projects.
No, choose one.
So I'll prefer Python.
Can we just undo this part? Last question. Oh, it's like okay, no issue. I love Python. Yeah, I have one of the amazing courses on Python on YouTube. So we love Python, right? Python is the best language.
Yes, it's very useful for cybersecurity professionals as well. Like most of the tools are written in Python, so that's why.
That's right. So Python is the best language, but also watch Java videos.
Yeah, Java is.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Who's coming next? Okay, you're 3.
Yeah, we are a team.
Oh, that's great. So can we just take the stage here? Okay, great. I can see that you're wearing this hoodie. You got it today itself?
Yeah.
So you asked for it or you got it as a gift?
No, I asked for it because it looks cool.
Okay, so what it says? It says coder and I'm artificially intelligent. Oh, that's great. That's awesome. So what project you're working on?
We're working on full stack neuron query system, support system.
Okay.
Wherein students
That's awesome.
can query and get support from mentors and can communicate in real time and good.
So what is the stack you're working on?
One stack.
One stack.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically the thing is you're using JavaScript everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So being JavaScript is a global language, you can use JavaScript for front end, back end, database, I mean JSON formats. Great. Is it a choice which you have taken or is it something, okay, since we know JavaScript, we'll do everything in JavaScript?
I'll tell my opinion. I learned it because I could use it everywhere. But then now I see that TypeScript is better.
Okay,
but then I've got addicted. But then I've got addicted to JavaScript.
TypeScript or JavaScript?
JavaScript.
JavaScript, great. You're also working on JavaScript?
Yeah, I'm
so I have a
full
question for
JavaScript,
you. Name one feature of JavaScript which you love and one feature which you hate.
Sometimes it does not work as expected, especially the asynchronous part.
Okay, bit louder please.
Sometimes asynchronous JavaScript does not work as we expect it to. So that's a little irritating. But then I just love JavaScript as it works.
And if you think about JavaScript, the way it evolved, in this 5 to 6 years, it was just a front-end language, and now you can use it everywhere, right? So just learn one language, and then you're done.
Just like us.
Yeah. Just like us.
our project.
Yeah. Just like your project.
We're managing everything just by JavaScript, like full stack.
Awesome. So how confident you are to win this game?
100%.
100%.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have a first prize.
That's why coded.
Oh, that's why
GitHub
coder. Right?
profile says Darshan the coder.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much.
Also, thanks to Hitesh Chaudhary for his Go course, and thanks to you for your blockchain course.
So you're watching blockchain videos as well?
Like we had watched it previously when we were going through, just understanding what is blockchain and all. Like your series was super simple.
From
and then
basic to this.
Note the points. Yeah, subscribe the channel.
Subscribe.
Right. So make sure that if you have not subscribed both the channels, do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Because some people don't subscribe; they just watch the video.
Yeah.
They don't subscribe. They're like, okay, we'll use those words later. But thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Who's next? अरे लाइन लग गया है यहाँ पे तो यार. Where is Hitesh sir? Come, please.
Hey, hi.
Okay, so you're working alone or you have a team?
I have a team. They are working.
Where's your team?
They are working.
So how is it a team it's working there? Awesome. So which project you're working on?
So we are working on the restaurant management app.
Okay, restaurant management app.
Yeah.
Why only restaurant? Why you choose restaurant? You love food or is it because the problem statement is easy?
No, one reason was we love food and the way the experience, and we could really customize it. Resume wala was much easier, or maybe it had templates, but then we chose this because we thought we can be more creative because we love it.
Bit closer.
I said restaurant wala we chose it because we can be more creative. That's the idea.
So let's say if someone want to join the hackathon next time, how do you choose the problem statement?
Maybe you go through all the problem statements, and then when you feel confident ki you can be more creative on a particular problem, choose that.
Awesome. And how's the experience here?
Experience has been great. Like it's my first hackathon, and 24 hours. I've never been awake so long, so it's really great.
So this is your first time you will be awake for 24 hours. What is your strategy for that?
I don't know. I might sleep.
See, for sure at 2 a.m., things will change, right? Okay, so let's see how you stay awake. Maybe more Red Bulls?
It doesn't work for me.
Some people claim that when they drink tea, they feel awake, right? It doesn't work for everyone. Same goes for Red Bull.
I drink tea and I can go sleep immediately.
Oh, that's the natural talent we have here. Awesome. So how is your project progress going on?
Yeah, it's going on well. Like we have back end in place now. Front end is getting structured, so that's why those guys are there. I'm working on back end and DevOps, so I completed my task. So there are more things we can do, analytics and all, but I'm working on that.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, who's next? Hi.
Hello.
You seem very happy. Everything is working for you?
Yeah, the Red Bull kicked in, I think so.
Oh, the Red Bull kicked in. For you?
Yeah, the same, I guess.
The same. Red Bull is working or your code is working?
Code is not yet working.
Code is not yet working.
Awesome. Which project you're working on?
The student chat support system.
Chat support system.
Yeah.
Why you choose that particular use case?
I think it was something that we could add our own twist into, and
It's a real life problem, I think.
Yeah, real life
Like
problem.
Something we can resolve in the real life, right? Awesome. Okay, what is your strategy for tonight? Are you going to take a nap, or you're going to straight go for 24 hours?
Two, three Red Bulls, I guess.
Let's see
2-3 Red Bulls.
how much the caffeine works for us.
Okay, that's awesome. So I have a question. Is it your first hackathon?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, okay. So will you participate in future hackathons?
Definitely.
Yeah,
So
the
what
experience
motivates
is
you looking at this hackathon that you should participate again and you will spend your entire
We're involved in the SaaS community, right? Building products. So we are actually building some products outside also. So this inspires us. And this is also a product. We are looking into it as a product and just building like that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Your name?
Prithvi.
Manish.
Thank you so much, Prithvi and Manish. Awesome. सोएगा सब सोएगा. Yes, हाँ. Sir.
So who's next?
So we got three. Your team. You're working on full stack or ML?
Full stack.
Full stack. Okay, that's okay. So the only thing is I don't know about ML. So if you say ML, I will just stay out.
Well, same goes for us. We also don't know about ML.
So this is your first experience, or?
No, this is my second. I went to a hackathon in Delhi 2 or 3 years ago.
Okay, so
For
how
us, it was the first time.
This is your first time.
Yeah.
This is also your first time. So how you are feeling now?
Yeah, it's great. We have learned so many things. We learned also how we work in a production level, and it was a great experience to learn from the mentor. All the mentors suggested some things which we are going for the production. They suggested you can use another libraries for this, and that was very useful.
For me, coding is all about passion. It's not about money. I've been coding for a very long time, and for me, coding is just about passion, being in love with the craft.
You will work for free as well.
Well, I can work.
What if you win tomorrow? If you win, will you take the prize money or will you give it to me?
Well, if there's an option to get the money and I'm winning the competition, then of course I'll take the money.
Awesome. So when you say the coding is passion, so what motivates you to write the syntax or to see the end product?
Actually, both. I know a lot of guys who are just interested in creating product, but for me, it's not just about creating product. It's also about enjoying the process. It is about the process of building something and writing code that looks beautiful and that works flawlessly.
So I have a question for you two. When you look at the error, what is your first reaction? Do you get irritated or you love it because you're going to learn something new today?
Google.
Yeah.
Google, what's your excitement for that? Is it will frustrate you or it will give you an opportunity to learn something new?
It gives us an opportunity to learn something, like we can, like, it's give a thrill to solve that problem. Till we don't solve that problem, we will like a programmer have a issue. I can say that issue, that bug is going to be in his mind.
So you came together or you built your team here yourself?
No, we came together. We are college mates. We are classmates.
So which college, in Bangalore? Or
Yeah, in Bangalore, Presidency College.
So you are still in college.
Yes.
In which year?
Second year.
Second year.
BCA we are studying.
So how many languages you have learned so far?
So far, like
almost all. We have tried all the languages.
All languages?
No,
There are
tried.
750 languages around.
No, like we have explored just like something because we don't know. Like in the beginning, it's not about we don't know which language suits us. So we try, and at the end we stick to the one language which suits us the most.
So which is your first language?
My first language was Java.
Java. You started with Java.
Yeah, I studied that in my schooling.
And yours?
Mine is Python, which I learned from Telescope.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about you?
My first language was C, but I wanted to learn Java, but my coaching said no, you have to learn C, and then you have to learn C++, and then you have to learn Java.
Do you see any advantage of learning C, C++ before Java?
For beginners, it's hard. I remember just sitting and staring at the screen for hours just to solve a simple problem. C is very difficult in terms of syntax, but obviously it teaches you a lot.
Actually, in my opinion, C, C++ helps you to understand the concepts of Java, right? But I know that many of the students don't realize the importance of programming language in college days, so they ignore the learning process of C and C++ and they started building their career from Java or Python. So it's okay if you can build a product, then everything is okay.
Yeah.
So, what is the one lesson you are taking from this place?
Never give up.
Never give up.
And collaborate. It's not just about you. You can't build a great product or a great project. You can't finish it if you are not working well with your team. So believe in your team.
So you made some connection over here?
Yes, I've made one friend. Bhaiya was just sitting in front of us, so we talked to him about his career and stuff like that.
Since you talked about teams, so if I give you an option of working in solo and working in a team, which one you prefer?
I'll choose team.
Team.
Yeah, because I can't do everything.
With combination, like a good combination with teammates is a good
It's
team.
like if you have all the front-end developers, that will not work for you. You need a back-end developer, you need front-end, so that you can make the app in all aspects.
Basically, you need to complement each other on your skill set.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your.
All the best.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. My pleasure. Who's next? Come.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Milind, right?
Yeah. My name is Milind. I am from 8th semester from electronics background. Currently in my 8th semester right now. And I recently started coding and I found front end to be... I personally am a little creative. So I started my first internship as a UI UX designer, and after that today in the hackathon, we were building a resume, a QR-based resume builder. So one difficulty that I found was backend. I didn't have a lot of experience in authentication and everything, so I figured that out. Figured all the stuff on my own, used Firebase, and figured all of that hard stuff on my own. So I realized that it's very important to have a combination of a good team which handles operations, front end, back end, probably a designer as well, which makes a whole product and selling the product very fun. Yeah.
So when you say you learned everything on the go,
Yeah, I hacked my way into. So that's what hackathon is, right?
awesome. So
Yeah.
this is for 24 hours, right? So you'll be staying awake till the morning?
Yes. I am perfecting, not perfecting, but yeah, trying to make a stable build out of my
So
resume.
what language you are using to develop this product?
To develop, I'm using JavaScript, and on the front end, it's React as a library. I'm building to put it out, I'm building a Markdown-based resume. Markdown is a really powerful kind of small language which can render out beautiful PDFs. I am converting that Markdown into PDF, and then I'm converting into resume into a production.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Milind.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So we got Hitesh sir back.
How can I deny?
Oh.
Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another live. It's the same live. It's the same live. Are come and join us. Who wants to come next? Are come. Sir, how are you?
I am very fine.
Got some Red Bull or some stuff?
Not yet. We are waiting for it.
We are waiting for Red Bull sponsorship. Are come in here, come in here. How are you?
Fine, sir. I am Abhindran from Tamil Nadu.
Nobody will be able to hear you.
I am Abhindran from Tamil Nadu, sir.
So, no Josh from Tamil Nadu? So we should have some energy.
Sir, it's night, no, sir. Working till from the morning.
Still,
Sir.
more energy.
Working from the morning, sir.
So what are you building on?
I'm building a.
At least keep it close, yeah.
I'm building an food restaurant, a full stack application for a restaurant.
So you are enjoying that one?
Yes, sir. I learned many things. How to Firebase, how to connect Firebase with React.js. I learned and implemented.
Within few hours, I guess.
Yes, sir. Within
You know, it usually takes a week to learn all of this, and what you have learned within like hours, this is what Hackathon is all about. The speed of learning, the environment that you get, the coders that you work around, the environment that you get. Yeah, surely a lot of people say, hey, let's do Hackathon online only, online. That's just because they want to do it with the comfort zone at their home and everything. I'm not saying that is bad. That is also good. That is also one of the way of doing it. But what do you say? Is it anything comparable to this that we have hosted up?
No, sir. This is a new experience and very good one.
This is how it should be. See, in the years that I have been into the past, the engineering time and all of that, there were a lot of offline events, the tech fest and all of that, the coding competition, the robotics competition, all of that. If that would be online, I would have never grown this much. Okay, anything else? Are come in. Come on, football champion. Yeah. So how was the football?
Actually my friends were playing the football. I don't play football, so.
So who were making that much of noise?
Like they went to their seat now, so they were playing the football. Right?
So what you are building on?
So I am building that project is about building a chat application for a student and a teacher. So it's
How is it going? How much of percentage can you mention completed?
it's almost 60% done now, and we got late since we started little late because of the issues, some issues. So yeah, it's on the track right now, and yeah, we are going good. So we are done with the UI and everything now. Just that we need to use the socket.io we are using for chatting. So that is something that we need to integrate with the backend APIs, and then it might perform. And then there will be bugs that we need to fix. So those are something.
Awesome, awesome. So I guess by 1 o'clock or night in the something you'll be all done.
Like in the till morning, it will take till morning. Yeah,
Okay.
around morning it will go.
And how is the experience to code all night, all day?
It was good. It was good. Actually, I have been doing this. This time, very first time I am participating in Hackathon. But before we used to do at home, because since I have been
Self-run hackathons.
like since I have been working at startups since the beginning of my career, right? So I have been working like this in the companies because I have been working at let's say if I can mention the name, Vedantu and MPL. So like I built their mobile applications from scratch.
Awesome, awesome. MPL also?
Yeah. So it was like we used to sit whole night for a week, and we used to stay at office only. There was a room where we used to sleep. They used to arrange the food, and we used to develop application, especially at Vedantu. So it was like that. We developed 2 applications in the time span of 3 months, and one of the application was the same, almost same. Yeah, doubt solving application. So I had similar kind of experiences a lot because I have been working in startups all from scratch in all of these startups. 4 startups I have worked. Right now, currently I am working at MPL, but that is how my experience have been.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. There is so much of information that is coming from you.
So that I have learned a lot from your videos. Since why I'm saying so because I started with mobile applications only. So I learned Swift that time initially, but then I went into React Native and Flutter. I did application development in those also. So after watching your videos,
thank you.
Seeing your video comparing React Native and Flutter and telling us why pros and cons of both. Of course, both are good and both are bad in some sense. So that is how it helped me a lot.
Thank you so much for sharing all of this. Really, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Shubham. Arey Shubham, come in. Shubham, I'll turn the camera. Shubham, come in here. Meet our pro mentor, Shubham. Why so shy?
They got the query, sir, actually.
You'll be teaching them also, no?
Yeah, we'll teach them, but they got the query, so I thought, let's go there.
No, first up here. So, how is the experience for you as a mentor to teach 300 people at a time?
Yeah, actually, projects are really good, and the doubts are also really good, so it's great to tell people what to do, what not to do.
how does it feel to bring LCO and everything from LCO to this scale? We have been working remotely for long now, and after that, working together as up here.
Yes, yes, it's a great experience, especially working with you, because the scalability is really high. Because till now we were working on JavaScript only, and now we have moved on TypeScript, Gatsby, and also it's a great experience.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Look at the camera once. Why so shy? Okay.
Camera conscious.
Oh, so you'll teach by turning off the camera and then you'll do the code reviews. Okay, okay. Okay. Who else is there? Anirudh, where is? Anirudh is there. Oh, he's helping. Send him now. Okay, so our community manager, please come. It's going good. You can see all the people's coming up here. So we have some of the community manager. We have community manager here. We're also launching a campus ambassador program, no?
Yes. Hi. Thank you. Yeah, we are launching CTLP, that is Campus Tech Leadership Program. We are launching it for the campus students who are pursuing their college education.
I'll make a dedicated video on that very soon. Don't want to just spoil the entire stuff. But yes, we are coming up with some.
We are coming up with some opportunities for the campus students. There are so many like internships, job opportunities, and like goodies and.
Let me come to the best part of that. The best part of that, our campus tech lead program is we are providing stipend to each and every student who is selected, and also there is a chance of every month getting a MacBook. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll make a detailed video on that very, very soon. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Who is coming up? All good. Are you are here finally? Finally. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. So how are you?
And how's your startup going on?
Yeah, it's great. It's been great.
How directly coming up onto the point, how much fund you have raised so far?
I mean, we are done with the seed round. We have raised over 1.5 crore now.
Awesome, awesome. So startup is going great. What you are building up?
So we are building Bugbase. It's a cybersecurity marketplace for all the enterprise and companies. We help companies host their bug bounty programs, if you know what bug bounty programs are.
Of course, I have been into cybersecurity in the very initial days. I have done pen testing for like 2 to 3 years, so little bit aware of it.
Yeah, so we provide bug bounty programs. We also do security audits for companies, and we also provide pen testing services.
So yeah. So I would love to host you up here, maybe have a meeting, and maybe we would love to incubate you furthermore, and we would love to help you to lead some of the investment rounds further as well. So whatever the network or anything you need, we are all open for that. So thank you so much for coming in. We would love to see your product very, very soon and have a more discussion about how we can help you to grow more and make your startup maybe reach to the next heights up here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. We would love to connect with you and all.
Absolutely. I would love to, happily would like to move you into the next level and next phase. Let's go ahead and let's connect and let's scale up your startup.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
And these are your co-founders?
So we're actually CXO, so I'm CIO at Bugbase, and like I manage all the development pipelines and all the deployments, CI/CD, etc. So I've been doing this for the past 1 year. And yeah.
So you are CIO and you are?
I'm the CTO.
Okay, yeah. CTO. Oh, nice to meet you. Another CTO. Thank you so much. And you are, sir?
I'm Hasib. I'm the lead security researcher at Bugbase.
Nice, nice, nice. So you are a team of 4 people, 3 people?
Yes, team of 3.
Team of 3, all up here. Nice.
Our founder is not here.
Okay. Hopefully we can have a meeting with him as well. Hopefully we can get some time with him as well.
Definitely.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. So as you can see, more founders are up here as well. Anirudh, come up here. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, lots of startup. Anirudh. A lot of people know you at LCO. You have been replying like tons and tons of queries at LCO. Yes. And finally people are seeing you up on that.
Yeah.
How does it?
I mean, meeting you after 2 years is like so happy.
Yeah, it's always so fun to meet you up here. And for those who don't know, he actually is not a full-time at LCO itself. He is a really nice programmer. Can you introduce like what kind of things you are building these days?
So I'm working on banking applications. On maybe in normal time I work on React Native, anything Ionic, Angular. You throw at me anything. Yeah. So I want to be like every so whichever framework that releases. So I want to be best in the market. So like we have tons of courses that are on LCO. So if anybody asks me any question, I have to be up to the mark, right?
Yeah, and apart from that, like I want to give people a little bit idea about the scale of the banking application you work on. So maybe in a minute or a minute or a second, how many queries you are handling in that application?
So daily there are like 2 million of transactions that are streaming into our application, which we have to process in batch mode, and then in real time we have to stream it to a anti-money laundering system, wherein it will understand which transaction is suspicious. So if anything is out of the general way, so if somebody is doing something really bad, so our system is intelligent enough to identify this actor is bad, the system, and then it will really flag. And then in fact the Singapore government has given us an award to the bank regarding same. So I'm really happy.
I think there is no point of hiding the bank. It's the DBS bank.
Yes, it's a DBS bank.
Yeah, so amazing system that he's building, and amazing the scalability of the code that you are writing and you are managing. That is where the beauty is. Managing 2 million of the queries, and that too in the real-time transactions
And
that are going on.
definitely what we learn in courses is maybe 10% of it. When you get to a hands-on working of it, so you'll say, okay, this is a humongous data set that I have to work on, and then daily you are debugging on it, and then so many things that you get to learn on floor. And
Yeah, that is where the real magic comes in. You learn how the code becomes scalable, and you can never ever learn that no matter what you do or something, unless you are building something and that is being used by some people in the real world. You will never get the idea that how scalability works. You can read all system design books and courses and all of that. It will not come like
you
that.
watch a number of videos. It's of course useful to up to maybe interview, and then maybe it's not when you come to a real time. So definitely, you can of course follow Hitesh sir.
Thank you so much.
The system design, and maybe you should teach me a little bit of time management.
I'm planning to write a book on that very soon, because I have now enough of free time. So, so after joining 2-3 companies.
What is this streaming in 8K?
No, this one is in 4K because YouTube is not allowing to stream me on 8K. Otherwise, I would have loved to stream in 8K.
Yes.
Videos now will be going in 8K.
Oh my God! I think you every time you emphasize on quality, right?
Quality is number one priority.
It is shown in real. Either it is audio, video, whatever it is in courses, especially.
This is like the mini version of the quality that we usually do.
We are having a metaverse of YouTubers here.
Yeah, everybody's here.
Java background,
Some
C++.
are playing and debugging. I don't know where they went. So.
It is quite fun. Maybe for the next hackathon, all of you guys just come to iNeuron office and
and just reminding you
want to
again.
Reveal the next upcoming.
Maybe yes, why not? I'll definitely post up Instagram stories and stuff, but the next week is for JetBrains, so come and join in. And apart from that, we are having Mu Sigma, and it's not just a hackathon, it's a hiring here as well. So Mu Sigma will be hiring. Mu Sigma will be hiring on the board. Offer letters will be given directly from Mu Sigma. Then we have Geeky Ants. And we're also talking to like 8 more companies, but it's not finalized, so don't want to say any name unless we have signed officially that yes, we are going to.
Parent of Native Base is coming here.
Yeah, Native Base. And even the founder, Sanket, is a very good friend. Some of his company's participations are there also.
We
But
have
yes.
few people from MPL.
Yeah, MPL, we have Microsoft, we have. See, interacting with these people from Microsoft and from Native Base and people who are founders of the companies and starting and raise the fund itself, that is all another level.
I think this is the advantage of being in an offline mode.
Yeah.
All these days we are maybe waiting for a Teams call, or maybe we are asking people. So this is completely good. I think I really enjoyed all that. Maybe it's still more. We still have 12 more hours to go.
Yeah.
So it is just halfway through.
Yeah, but it's going to be really fun and stuff. Nice catching up with you, Anirudh. And surely we'll be having more of the classes and stuff in our JavaScript bootcamp that we are hosting up. So surely a lot of experience we'll be sharing in the bootcamp, upcoming JavaScript Job Guarantee Bootcamp. So stay up for that as well. Okay, so more people are joining in. Come on in. Okay. Okay, so we are having some food announcements up here, so I have to do this live itself. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, so we are getting some of the pizza now. Hello, everyone. Free pizzas and free Red Bull for all of you to stay up and keep writing code. So, okay, so a bit of a pizza announcement up here. I hope you can see the smile that is coming up. So can we have a loud announcement for the pizza? Who wants pizza? All going up. This is all going up. So late in the night, still the energy is all up. Hi, come on in.
Hello.
Nice mustache.
Thanks a lot. My name is Bhagat Singh, by the way. So,
Oh, your name is Bhagat Singh. Nice mustache and nice name.
so I really want to become like him. So I try to keep my mustache like him at least.
Ah, looks good on you.
Thanks a lot. By the way, your looks are great.
Ah, thank you so much.
And because of your looks only, I guess I started watching your YouTube channel.
Ah, that is the first first time the things are coming in. That's
And one more thing I want to say to the guys that if you just started coding or learning coding, just follow his channel because the way you teach is like the way you tell the things is quite enthusiastic way. Whereas other tutorials, what I've seen, like they just tell the concept, but they don't excite you much.
I love these concepts. That's why I'm so excited all time about it. I love to explain people, oh, this is how it is happening.
And because of your video, like what I saw, that's why I came here for hackathon. Or maybe I would have not come.
And are you enjoying this one?
Absolutely.
Ah, awesome, awesome. And how much of the application, the challenge that you were building up, like what percentage you have completed so far?
Uh, it's hard to say, but we can say around 40%.
Okay, a long way to go now.
Yeah, as the night will go on, we will keep up the pace.
Okay, nice, nice. And sir, what about you?
Yeah, I think this is a great initiative. I think first time like the YouTube community has taken initiative to like organize.
Have you counted how many YouTubers were there on the floor?
I just lost track counting how many people are doing live streams and yeah.
Yeah, so many cameras floating around on the floor itself. Okay, so yeah, I think we'll be stopping the stream. Are Saksham, come in. Come in, bro. Okay, bros are here.
Finally.
So how are you feeling in the hackathon?
It's amazing. It's quite an electrifying people out here and doing non-stop coding right here.
Going so good and so nice. And how about the pizza? Are you also getting some pizzas in that run?
Yes, back-to-back pizzas and back-to-back people. You know, I'm seeing a lot of people coding right here with the dose of pizza and Diet Coke, definitely.
Okay, going nice one as well. Okay, so I think we'll be stopping the streaming. Okay, you guys are left now? Only one. Come all of you. Then we'll be stopping this stream after this. All come up here. We have a wide frame here. All come in. All can join in. It's a pretty wide frame we have. So all can come in. Yep. All coming in. Oh, it's 10K. If people gives enough of like, we can keep on continuing it. But again, people are not giving the likes now. So that's why we have.
Like, share and subscribe.
Arey, come on.
So,
again.
So, जोर से like दबाओ, share करो, and spread love.
Yeah, that is important. Keep coding, keep smiling.
Yeah. And I'm really feeling excited for this hackathon, and thanks to everyone who has arranged this hackathon. It's a great opportunity. I have never experienced a hackathon like this in Bangalore, and
See, one more question I would like to ask. So when you came up here, were you absolutely confident that you will be able to build this or crack it?
I'm still hopeful that I'll be able to finish the problem statement and add some more features. Till now, I can show something.
Oh, awesome!
I've like.
You can show it nearby to camera.
So till now I'm using React for doing the restaurant app, and till now I've figured out some of the UI parts, and I'm hopeful that within morning I'll finish the backend part and get the apps running.
Awesome, awesome. This is what I love. Somebody is able to build it on here and show it on the camera itself. That is the next level of the thing. Yeah, it's just 12 hours. We have half hour. Only we are halfway done.
Yes. So we are having fun as well as learning a lot more. And these are the great mentors we have right now. And learning, they are giving lot more opportunities. Like they are coming and giving the internships as well as the opportunities for jobs. And it's fun.
Yeah.
And the food is really fun.
Food is also fun.
Yeah, food is more than ever.
Yeah. Next time, hopefully, we'll be able to circulate iced tea as well. This time we couldn't do it, so we came up with Red Bull.
I was expecting.
Yeah, but so
But
hopefully.
Red Bull was great. That gave us energy till night. We will work.
Yeah, hopefully very soon we'll reach out to Red Bull to sponsor us so that we can keep on hosting such event. Otherwise, I'll personally sponsor iced tea for next event. And how are you, sir?
Yeah, I am fine, sir.
So how much you have built? So all of you are a team, man. Huh? Oh, okay. You both are team, and you solo, and you. You are a team. Okay. So how much of the percentage you have built of your application?
60% is over, sir.
Okay. Which problem statement you have picked up?
We are on this one restaurant QR code scanner, but the funny thing is like I am more into data science. But when I saw about the hackathon and web development, and then I just saw your backend Django course, and within 1 week I started to build. Now it's 60% over. Only another.
Awesome, awesome. So that is one thing I wanted to tell so far for have been, but I didn't like to say it, mention it again and again and again, because see, whatever I teach in the courses and stuff, it's meant to directly be used in the industry itself. There is no flutter around it, no dabbering around it. It's just focus. You need to build this, build authentication system.
We are picking it up very consciously and implementing it up. So it's great.
It's great to see that a
Yeah,
data science guy is coming up and moving and thriving into it.
Yeah, so only 1 week. Actually, I did not think of web development only, but now after seeing your backend course of Django, then I start to build. I don't even know that I didn't even think that I'll build. I just came, hackathon, I have to come, I have to do something. So I want to try my best. So I came.
You have actually taken that line that yes, you wanted to do something and you have built it. See, a lot of people message me on the Instagram, hey, we want to do it, but it's too far away. Hey, we want to come, but college is not allowing. But you have cracked all those boundaries. I want to do it, I'll do it. That's it. No if, no but.
Moreover, before seeing your course, I saw some other courses in YouTube, but those are like somewhat sleepy. Your course is very interesting, sir. Sometimes whenever we feel like sleepy, you will start to say something which is very interactive and we'll get the energy.
Thank you so much. Red Bull directly via the courses.
So in this application, we have to do authentication for this restaurant app. So for the easy authentication via React, your previous video is extremely helpful. It just solves the 10 to 20% of the. Yeah.
Yeah, Frontech man. So our friends at Frontech would be really happy that we have actually given a video that is helping real-time developers up here.
Yeah, and even at beginning we were scratching our heads, and after implementing, going into step by step, then we got to know this is the thing which we are implementing.
And one more important thing, how are the mentors on the floor? Are they helping up?
Everyone is coming up to us and approaching us. If we have any problem, then they are
not
helping.
going to them, they are coming to us.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So hope you are enjoying this entire thing.
Enjoying goodies as well as food. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the first hackathon, but we have lined it up on every weekend. So the next announcement is going on Monday. And we have another hackathon from the JetBrains itself, the JetBrain.
That one is that is also same like this web development or problem solving something.
Yeah, that one will be also problem solving, but this time we'll be giving you different tools and different restriction that you have to do only. So we'll help you to learn even quickly. So first 2 to 3 hours will be helping you that how quickly you can learn the new thing and start building in that.
Exploration is more than here.
Yeah. So every time, see, this was our first one. So we are learning a lot from this, and we are improving on the day one. So already we have done.
Also, it's the first time participating into hackathon.
But organizing this, we want to go a little bit more bigger than this one. So we are going like little bit more. We want to accommodate at least 500 people or 600 people into this. Give all bean bags and stuff and all hacking environment and coding environment up here.
Every mentor is friendly here, and please join us for next time. and even we will be here.
Yeah, we would love to host you again. Sure.
And whoever has not taken in LCO or any course or else in Techneuron, take it. Every penny is important and it is valuable.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Till
Thank you so
coming
much.
To today's hackathon, I was not knowing the prize money on.
Oh.
You announced the hackathon. Yeah, let's go it for it.
Ah,
I was
awesome.
Not thought of
Yes, you will get participations. Participation certificates will be there, T-shirts will be there, some goodies from GitHub will be there, some goodies from iWriteCode and iNeuron will be there. Prize money, of course, 2 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 50,000 is there. Offers and internship we have already floating around. So we are trying to improve it and get it more. More people are coming up here. So okay, join in. Okay, thank you, thank you. Just take care of that. So hit that like button. If you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, then only I can.
Your likes are more than your current viewers right now.
That's awesome. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine sir, how are you sir?
All good, all good.
Yeah, myself Manoj Kumar sir.
Can you speak a little bit louder?
Yeah, so myself Manoj Kumar.
Okay, what are you building?
Restaurant, this one's app sir.
How many of you have taken the restaurant app? Like how many of you are building that restaurant project? Oh, 2, 3. And you are building which one? Resume builder. And you are building the restaurant app?
Yes, yes, restaurant.
You're building a mobile app or web app?
Web app, front end. I'm working on front end, I'm working on back end.
Oh, so you are a team of 2?
Yes, four.
4 people. And where you have come from?
I'm from Bangalore only sir.
Oh, Bangalore obviously. Nice one, nice one. And how much of the percentage is it complete?
Almost 50-60% sir.
Okay. When you saw the problem statement, what did the first thing you did?
First thing I saw the web app sir, weather application. So I thought it was easy. Again they told it is screening project, so we went to.
Yeah, we scrapped the screening project. That you don't need to build a screening project. You directly go for that. Please take care of that.
Yeah, that's so we selected a restaurant one app. So we have like a QR score, and morning I said alright like about that everything. So now we almost 60% completed. So.
Awesome. Okay, thank you so much. You guys come in. Arey, come on, yaar. Why are you going so closely from the camera? This is only one piece in India. I don't want to lose it. So much wait was done for this one. Not expensive one, but wait is there. Arey, where are you from, guys?
We are from
We
Mysore.
are from Mysore. Like I'm from UP, but I'm studying in Mysore.
Okay.
We are
And
from.
what you guys are building?
So we are currently building the resume builder application from React and Express.js.
How much of the percentage is complete of that project?
Okay, so 45
we
to
could
50%.
not come to proper terms, but yeah, 45.
Okay, 45 around is there. And you are using Core Express and React?
Yep. Yes.
Okay. And what was the first strategy to build the resume builder? How did you like, we'll do this or that? What kind of packages and everything? You are generating PDFs as well?
Yes. So
What is the package that you're using for PDF generation?
Like we have not planned yet
We'll
the
have to
PDF
look
generation
for
yet. Like we divided the thing into three or 4 phases. So we thought that first we'll complete the authentication part and then the editing of the resume whole web app. Then we thought of building the QR and not QR, the PDF generation and then the QR thing. So currently we are at the editing of that resume builder application.
Awesome. So how's the experience learning it on the go? Have you ever built something like this in the past?
Like this has been a kind of huge learning curve for me. So I was just learning React. So building this application right now has like improved my React skills.
So it's a learning into 10x now.
Fun fact, I started learning JavaScript from you itself.
Thank you so much. So how's this process? Like what I'm able to see, like how people are building it and all of that, that if you do like 2 or 3 of these hackathon 24-hour, your learning speed increases like 10x each time. And you are able to build application much more faster. So do you think coming to offline hackathon, is it worth it or it's not?
Actually worth it because first 3 hours we spent designing for restaurant app first 3 hours. Then all of a sudden like everybody is doing restaurant app, it will become like common. Let's do something like other than that. Then in half an hour we planned this project and then we continued with this thing.
So much of learning experience that how to navigate. I think this entire hackathon might make you as a team, and probably if anything ideas or something comes up, you can launch it as a startup itself.
Yeah, like,
sure.
Also, this team has become like if any hackathon, future hackathon comes, like this has become our like kinda core team. Like we go to another hackathon with the same team itself and participate there.
Have you participated any past hackathon before this offline?
Just 1 or 2 weeks back, there was a 24 hours hackathon in our college itself. So we were in.
But compared to college and moving into the corporate this environment, all YouTubers are.
This is like a huge opportunity or kind of dream. Like there are so many YouTubers. There's Naveen Reddy sir. There's you.
Like what
so
can
many,
be better
yeah.
than Hitesh Chaudhary interviewing
Yep.
us?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is so fun. Have you watched Saturday Lives before
Yep.
that?
Last live I watched for like around 15 to 20 minutes. You are talking about the new 4K testing you are doing, right?
You are on 4K right now.
Oh, this was the camera. Yeah, great.
So you are on the 4K stream. We are streaming it on all 4K and all the same quality. See, previously a lot of people were going live and stuff, and I was worried about will I go live from camera? It will not be of quality. That bothers me quite a lot. So I thought to go live and all that. I did a private test of unlisted video and didn't like it at all. So I thought, let's bring in the heavy duty gear. Let's go all live in. I know this holding the mic and stuff is not very comfortable as this. But again, have to go with the quality. That is my concern always for that. Okay, so nice going up, guys. Enjoy your pizzas and all of this up here and all going in. Okay, so bye. Okay, so come on in, all t-shirt guys. Yeah, even we have ordered free garlic breads too. That was unexpected, and free garlic breads. Along with pizza, garlic breads are also here.
Actually, some people are saying if it is live or if it is pre-recorded. So clear that we are live right now.
We are live.
It is live or pre-recorded. I've never seen anyone going live for this much of time.
Yeah, this much of live and this much of quality. Yeah, this is entirely live and we are going all in. This is currently happening. Maybe you guys can post it on LinkedIn, Instagram, somewhere that, yeah, this is happening live up there. Okay, so first t-shirts. What's your t-shirt? So first, let's have the t-shirts. What all t-shirts are saying?
Mine says, "May Stack Overflow be with you." It's a reference to Star Wars.
Nice one. And yours, very simple. I loved it.
Yeah, like when I wore this, it's I need to start coding. Nothing much.
Awesome, awesome.
Don't think about just code it. Don't think about anything. Just finish the project.
Ah, awesome. And your version is also nice. Can you come up here?
Yeah. Mine, every coder just agrees with this. Like we don't get means we just Google it. So.
Yeah, of course. It's still same with me as well. I don't know everything. People sometimes gets this kind of a notion that I know everything. I don't know anything at all. I just know where to look.
Yeah, in documentation or in.
Yeah, in documentation, in Google, in Stack Overflow. That's what I do.
Easiest way to just Google.
Yeah, and then I make it as my own explanation of it. That should be easier to explain, and that's all I do. So, what project are you building? You guys working as a team?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what you are building up?
We are working on neuro query support. I mean,
Yeah, that is one of the project. We want to take it onto a much higher height. We want to make it open source. We want to support contributor of that because we see so much of potential in that project. How much you have done it, like percentage wise, can you guess?
percentage wise, we are pretty much near 45 or 50%. So we are still working on some front end stuff and finalizing on the back end. So it has been pretty good so far.
Good. And how was the learning experience up here?
I mean, it was completely great, or what should I say? It was truly amazing to be part of this.
How is the learning speed, like compared to your learning self on your own and compared to learning on the hackathon on the go, figuring out the problem, like Is it 10x, 50x, 5x, 4x? Like how much speed you have seen increment?
Yeah, definitely speed has been increased. Like we don't regularly watch or do stuff coding like this long, but here we try to find solutions as soon as possible, like coding it and googling it, and we find solution, and it gives us a real pleasure. Like we did something real good in this hackathon.
So how much knowledge you had previously? Like previously you were like pro in coders itself, that whatever the problem will come up, or you were like hesitant that we'll see and we'll figure out what happens.
Previously, what before coming to hackathon, we were like we are like pro level coders, not that kind of thing. And after coming here and seeing the problem statement, we are like, okay, we can do it, but we are still coping up with the problem. And I think 10x is the speed we have maintained. Like learning.
So at least the learning speed is 10x. So whatever you learn on the go and stuff, if you attend like 3 or 4 such hackathons, you will be very comfortable. Now give us any project, we'll be able to do it.
Yeah, definitely. If they provide this kind of food and environment, then we'll
We are all for you. Whatever that you need mentorship, we are even hosting up this full stack JavaScript boot camps as well, the online one. This will be like in a similar passion, so that you can have more of this back-to-back mentor support. Because see, people don't understand. Once you have this mentorship, you're writing code, you have videos and everything and stuff. But if somebody comes up and review your code and gives you a feedback that this is you are doing right, this is you are not doing right, that has so much of impact in learning. So that is what we are planning with our JavaScript bootcamp as well. Okay, so nice catching up with you guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hi.
So there is a super chat. Is there any hackathon on Pune?
Oh, there's a super chat about, is there any hackathon in Pune? Yeah, right now we are going for all hackathons in Bangalore itself, because that's how we have collaborated with these companies. But we would love to open it up to more cities as well, maybe after a couple of months. Definitely we'll love to go in Pune, Hyderabad. These are the places we would love to, and Delhi of course. We would love to go there and host, because a lot of tech companies are there, a lot of tech people are there. Yeah, so Hyderabad, Pune, we would love to do that. But again, we need kind of a space like this, arrangement, internet. There are a lot of challenges to do this in somebody's else campus. First of all, accommodating 300, 400 people is a challenge. Then food is a challenge. Then a lot of challenges are there. Okay, so come on in.
We have been waiting for a long time.
Oh, so sorry for that. So sorry. Okay, hello. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all good. How are you, sir?
I'm good too. What about you?
You need to speak a little bit louder. Sorry for I've kept you waiting for so long.
I'm very excited. I never thought that I would be seeing you in person.
Yeah, and we are streaming up live on my channel itself. That is another level of fun. So, sir, what do you do?
I'm a full stack developer at Wheelhouse Technologies. So actually, I would like to thank. Like I got my first full-time job after I have bought your course, React and Stack Developer course on learncodeonline.com. Then I gave my interview. The first interview I gave, I landed the job.
Awesome. So it feels so good that just a small course has helped you to get probably like 10x or probably more than 10x what you paid for the course. Like 10x is like very less. You got 200 rupees 10x. No. You probably getting paid more than that.
It's a 299 rupees course.
Yeah. So definitely way more X's that you have made it up.
Yeah.
What are you building up in this project? You are working as a team, no?
Yeah.
So what you are building up?
We are building on food dining.
So you are building food dining application. And how much of the percentage is completed with that?
I would say like backend we are almost done, and then front end we like the user side is done. We are working on the restaurant side.
Okay, so a lot is covered. you have managed this nicely organized. Otherwise, I haven't seen this much of progress in much of the apps up. So I think your project management skills are also pro.
Yeah, that thanks to you, like you and other people. Like,
see, it's not about just building a product. It's about how you manage that, how you assign it to the team. There is so much that you learn in the hackathon. It's not just about writing loops or getting data from the database. It's about how you organize, how you move forward, which component to build first. Because programming is all about Legos. You build the Legos and then you have to build the Legos. On top of that, you have to assemble that Legos. So this is what I have been saying. These hackathons are the way and especially offline hackathons. When you do it online, no mentors are there, no enthusiasm is there, your motivation can go anytime off and you just shut it down and just go away. But here there is no option. We are here constantly to improve you, to get the application done and get it finished. When you see this environment, that is when you actually do it. So
people are comparing them from Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk.
ah, nice. Oh, looks. Anything to say about your comparison? People are calling you Jeff. Have you that much in bank account as well?
No.
Maybe you can sponsor the entire thing.
If I would, like if I had, I would.
I hope you become Jeff Bezos and sponsor us. So okay. So thank you so much for going all in. Okay. So a lot is. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So we are going to pause the stream because it's now. Yeah, we will be doing another hackathon that is on another next weekend that is coming up. We'll be announcing it on my Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. Just stay tuned, stay up there. Now we are dropping this stream up here, but don't worry, we'll be streaming a little bit more here and there. So keep on subscribing, hit that subscribe, hit that like and all of that. And surely hope you have enjoyed the quality as well. Very worried about that, but yeah, we have